Hi, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can use the Authorization Code Grant OAuth flow to connect the fmESignature link version 2 file with the Docusign API. So here we've got the fmESignature link version 2 file open. If I go to accounts, you should also have a record like this if you're using the trial version or you've purchased a license. If not, you can always just click the new account button and create a new record. We've just given it a name and we've set it to the sandbox environment. Now we'd encourage everyone to use the free Docusign sandbox to do all their integration testing and create their Docusign app. It's free with no limitations, and it's how you create an integration and test it, and then you promote it to a live production account. So this video I'm going to demonstrate the first of the two authentication type options, the Authorization Code Grant. So we're going to select that. Now the next thing you need to do is log into your Docusign Sandbox account in your web browser. You can click the Login to Docusign account button here and that'll open up the web browser for you. To save a bit of time, I've logged in. So here I want to just go to the admin option at the top navigation, and that's going to take us to our admin screen. And this is a pretty sort of clean account that I haven't used much, so I'm going to scroll down to look for integrations, and then I want to click on apps and keys, and I haven't created any previous Docusign apps or integrations, so I'm going to click the add app and integration key button. And now we need to give it a name, so I'm just going to call it FM Demo. Click the create app button, and now first thing I need to do is click the button to copy my integration key, and I want to go and paste that into the same field in the accounts screen. For integration type, I want to choose private custom integration. Then I want to scroll down and select yes. It's defaulted that to this first question. It's set the authentication method already to Authorization Code Grant. Now I need to generate a secret, so I click the add secret key button, and then I click the copy button, and now I need to go and paste that over here. You should also store that somewhere else. This only is displayed once, and as soon as I save it, that will be hidden. You can always generate a new one if you need to, so it's not the end of the world. Now I want to copy the default redirect URL and come over to the additional settings and click the add URI button. Paste that in. That has to be 100% identical to what's stored over here in FileMaker, so it doesn't matter what they are. You can change to your website, but just make sure they're 100% exactly the same. And I think that's everything I need for now, so I'm going to click save. That's going to save that integration, and now it appears in my list here. So I'm just going to hide that for the moment. Now we need to complete the second part, which is authenticating as a user in a web viewer. So I'm going to click the authenticate button here. That's going to load my web viewer. I don't want to use that account. I want to change it to a different account. So I'm going to come back here and choose the account I just used to create my app. And I'm going to go next, put in my password. Okay, so the first time you try to authenticate against a new Docusign app, you'll get this this web page asking you to grant consent for the app to perform actions on behalf of you as a user. So I'm just going to click allow access. You'll only see that once, the first time you authenticate, and if that's everything successful, it'll redirect me back to my redirect page, which is just the Docusign website. And now I can just click this continue button in the bottom right corner of the card window, and now I've successfully authenticated with Docusign. So now I have my access token. It's good for 8 hours, and that token will be refreshed automatically using the refresh token, so you don't have to worry about refreshing this from now on. Now you can test this out quickly if you go to, say, supported languages and download the list of supported languages. That should bring down all the languages for your account. You should see something like this, so it's a quick way to test that it's working. So at this point I've authenticated, I've got my access token. I'm now ready to start generating sign-in requests and working with templates and some of the other features of the fmESignature link version 2 file.